Welcome to learning about creating resumes and cover letters with AtoZdatabases at Lexington County Public Library. My name is Lauren, and today I will be showing you how to use templates from one of our most popular databases to create cover letters and resumes. All you need is a computer with internet access and Microsoft Word and your Lexington County Public Library card. Let's get started. Creating a resume from scratch can be intimidating. The blank Word document, the rabbit hole of thousands of websites of recommendations that all seem to contradict each other, and the worst? Creating a beautiful resume on a website just to get to the end and realize you have to pay to save and print it. What a headache! The Lexington County Public Library wants to take that headache away and help you create a professional resume free of all cost. From your computer browser, you will first go to lexcolibrary.com. In the top right corner, click on Resources. Scroll down the page to find AtoZdatabases and click on the blue link. This will take you away from our website and over to the database. Now, you will need that handy library card. The website will ask you to type in the long number on the back, start to finish with no spaces. I'll go ahead and type mine in so that we can see the next screen. This is the AtoZdatabases homepage. It is not only useful for creating resumes and cover letters, it is also great for finding jobs and businesses. Today, we will look at the middle box that says Find a Job. Next to the little man icon, click on Cover Letters, Resumes, and Tips. A pop-up box will come up, and we will click on Box 2, Apply for the Job. Under the heading Writing a Resume, click on Resumes and Cover Letters, Templates and Examples. We are now on the page with the templates and examples. There are two popular styles of resumes, chronological and functional. To look at the resume template before you download it, click on Example. This will open a resume example in a separate window. Chronological resumes sort your job experience by dates. Once you are done looking at the example, click the X on the tab to close out and get back to the other examples. Continue to look through examples until you find a template that you like. Functional resumes are used when you may have gaps in your employment or have worked at the same job for a long time. We can click on examples of those too. Right underneath our chronological and functional resumes, you'll see our cover letter examples and templates. Click on those to choose which template you would like for your cover letter. Once you find a resume template you would like, click on the Template button in the middle column. This will download a Microsoft Word document of the template, which will show in your downloads. Click on the document to open it. Once it opens in Microsoft Word, you can begin editing the document and personalizing it with your information. Thank you for joining me today on this tutorial on creating resumes and cover letters with AtoZdatabases.